In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get emojis in Hootsuite. Emojis are a fantastic way to add personality and flair to your posts, making them more engaging and visually appealing. So, let's go through the simple steps to incorporate these fun elements into your Hootsuite posts. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, it doesn't really matter. This process works the same across all major browsers. Once your browser is open, type Hootsuite into the search bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the official Hootsuite login page. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your Hootsuite account. Enter your login credentials and click on Sign In. It's important to ensure that you have the correct username and password to access your account without any hitches. Once you're logged in, you're ready to dive into the Hootsuite Composer. To access this, look for the Create button, which opens up the Composer where you can begin crafting your new social media post. This space is where all the magic happens, from text editing to content scheduling. As you focus on the text box where you'd like the emojis to appear, click to place your cursor there. This action allows you to prepare the area where the emoji icon will come into play. Speaking of the emoji icon, it's typically located just below your text box. Look for a small smiley face. This is your key to a whole world of expressions and icons. Clicking on it will open the emoji panel, presenting you with a myriad of emoji options, each ready to bring your text to life. Now, with the emoji panel open, you have the freedom to browse through a wide selection of emojis. Take your time to explore the options. Whether you're looking for a thumbs up, a heart, or something more specific, the panel has you covered. When you find the perfect emoji, simply click on it, and it will be inserted into your post right where your cursor is positioned. And that's it! You've successfully added an emoji to your Hootsuite post. Remember, emojis can significantly enhance your posts by making them more relatable and visually appealing, so don't hesitate to use them to express the tone and emotion of your message. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to get emojis in Hootsuite. I hope you found it helpful and that you'll be able to use emojis to add that extra touch to your social media posts. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on enhancing your social media presence.